the Commission received a letter from NASA demanding the Commission to declare Raila Odinga and Kalonzo Musyoka as President and Deputy President, respectively. The Commission has responded to this letter, and a copy of the same will be made available to the press. I just want to reiterate, on behalf of the Commission, that the Court of Appeal, in Civil Appeal number 105 of 2017, held that the results of presidential election would be electronically transmitted from the polling stations to the constituency officers, returning officers, who would then tally and verify the said results in compliance with Section 39(1)(ca) of the Elections Act, and electronically transmit the results to the Commission at the National Tallying Center. The final results of the presidential election is that declared by the chairperson of the Commission, being the aggregate of the results announced by the 290 constituency returning officers. The Commission is currently still receiving Form 34B, meaning that the transmission of the results of the presidential election have still not been completed. The accurate and lawful results will thus only be ascertained once all the Form 34Bs are received by the Commission and the results therein collected. The letter we received from NASA does not contain Form 34As and 34Bs, so we are not able to ascertain what the basis of those results are. And perhaps if we had copies of the same, it would have given us more information. So as relates to anomalies, I'm yet to be informed as to any anomalies today. My understanding is that there are no anomalies reported as up to now between the transmitted results and what is being tallied. The Commission will only declare the results of the presidential election as directed by Article 138(3)(c) and 138(10) of the Constitution. Finally, Article 249 of the Constitution stipulates that the Commission is independent and not subject to the control of any person or authority. The Commission and presidential candidates agreed on a framework where one account was to be provided by the Commission to each presidential candidate to facilitate ease of access to Form 34As and 34Bs.